Attorney General Faris Al-Rawi says the High Court ruling denying an injunction against the parliamentary debate on the Privileges Committee report against Oropouche East MP Dr. Roodal Moonilal is a victory for this country's democracy and constitution. In October 2018, Dr. Moonilal was referred to Parliament's Committee of Privileges after comments made during the Standing Finance Committee stage of Parliament. At the time, Dr. Moonilal, in cross-talk, told Member of Parliament for Laventille West, Fitzgerald Hinds, "Snake have lead for you." Earlier today, High Court Judge Jacqueline Wilson ruled for the debate to continue and the injunction be thrown out. AG Al-Rawi held a media conference shortly after the ruling.
Today's decision to reject an application for an injunction essentially upholds the supremacy of our Constitution and the immunity and privileges of our Parliament. Our Parliament derives its constitutional immunity, as you're aware, from Section 55 of the Constitution.
The Attorney General said had the ruling been in favour of Dr. Moonilal, the outcome would have been chaotic for this country's constitution.
If we were to allow the immunity and privileges of the Constitution in Section 55 to be eroded by access to the court on a whimsical basis, we would be making a mockery of democracy.
And the motion to adopt the report of the Committee of Privileges in the matter involving the Oropouche East MP has been passed in the lower house without the support of the opposition. 21 government members voted for the motion, while 12 opposition members voted against the motion. Member of Parliament for Port of Spain North, St. Anne's West, Stuart Young, in moving the motion on Wednesday, said the Privileges Committee reviewed the Hansard and the audio recording of the sitting.
It is understood in local parlance what lead refers to. Lead in local parlance, Madam Speaker, refers to, unfortunately, bullets. C, without a doubt, Madam Speaker, the words brought the House, unfortunately, and our proceedings into public odium and disrepute.
And he gave the one recommendation made by the Privileges Committee.
Your committee, having deliberated and having made those findings, respectfully recommends that the member for Oropouche East should apologize to the House and the member for Laventille West by way of personal explanation at the first opportunity subsequent to the presentation of this report. Madam Speaker, that is all that your committee has recommended.
Oropouche East MP Dr. Roodal Moonilal described the debate on the motion to adopt the report of the Privileges Committee as a sad day for the country. He believes members of the lower house could have used their time more wisely to debate motions that would benefit the citizens of Trinidad and Tobago, such as the Local Government Reform Bill. However, at the end of his contribution on the debate, the Oropouche East MP told MP Hinds he was sorry for the offence.
If the member for Laventille West believed that anything I say or I said threatened him in any way, his health, his strength, his limb, his locks, and his life, I unreservedly apologize. That is not the objective.
MP Moonilal said, however, the matter at the court was a deeper and more serious issue than just an injunction against the Parliament.
That the Parliament is not the supreme power in this land. It is the Constitution, and the guardian of the Constitution is the Supreme Court of Judicature.